Stop by and take a look at the 2023 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, heads-up display, trip computer, tinted glass, compass. The RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.